Here I've got Huawei Y7 2019 and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open system, so it's the last icon, and then go to reset, so it's under backup and restore. Here you will see 3 options, so select the first one, which is reset all settings. You just have to be aware that this will reset all network settings, fingerprint, face data and also lock screen password. If you truly want to perform it, just tap on reset all settings. Now you have to confirm it one more time because it will reset all the settings, your phone may need to restart and this action cannot be undone, so you will not be able to go back to the previous settings. If you truly want to do it, just tap on reset all settings. Give your device a while to perform it, it will wipe all data. Take a look, and as you can see, it has been done. So you've just reset all the settings. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.